In this video, we are going to focus on filtering by events. An event is an information piece about any kind of action a user may do. An event example: a user clicks on the promo button in an e-commerce shop, or a user hovers over a given product picture visible on your website. In user.com, each time a given user performs an action defined as an event, it will be added to that user. Thanks to it, you can filter your users by events and their attributes. Let's quickly see how it works. In filters, we see that one of the events I've defined earlier is newsletter sign-up. Whenever a user submits an email through the pop-up visible on my website, this event occurs and information about it is collected and assigned to this user. As we see in the drop-down menu here, there are a few filter types related to that event we can choose from. First occurrence, last occurrence, and count occurrences are standard options available for every event created. Thanks to them, I can filter out all users that performed that event for the first or last time at a particular date or time frame I'm interested in, or I can filter out those that performed a given event more than, for example, 5 times. But let's see how exactly it works. I have a special input field on my website where at any moment any visitor can sign up to my newsletter. As said, I also created an event that occurs every time someone signs up. But what does create an event actually mean? To create a new event, all you need to do is adding a line of code to your website. Thanks to adding it, your website will be able to send particular information pieces through the widget to your user.com app. We'll discuss how to configure a new event step by step in another video, but, as you may already expect, there are a few ways of doing that. So you can add a line of code directly to your website source code. You can as well do it through Google Tag Manager or by using data collectors. Some events, like for example email prompt submit, are already built in the system. You may also use WordPress plugins, external integrations like Zapier, or you can create events through REST API. Let's now go back to our example. I created additional event attributes, email, which will store email address as user types in the field, and place, which stores an exact web page URL a user signs up at, as the sign-up field is available from different web pages of my site. Let's imagine Amanda Smith is signing up. Once she has submitted the form, the event occurrence with additional attributes appears on the user timeline in her profile. Also, when I filter my users by that event now, let's say I want users who submitted emails having any value and who did it exactly today for the last time, we see Amanda Smith pops up. There are hundreds of possibilities here, and you can add many different attributes related to a given event that will be collected every time an event is done. You can, for example, create an event for each time a user adds an ebook you offer for download on your website to cart, but then abandon it. You can collect additional attributes like product title or author name. Thanks to it, you will be able to filter those users out and create a segment to send emails to those users immediately after they have abandoned the cart, and in the message refer to exact parameters of the ebook they are interested in. I hope this cleared filtering by events up, and thanks for listening.